The long-anticipated Mercedes-Benz EQC finally gets a launch date, and the new all-electric luxury SUV will go on sale in India on October 8, 2020. Mercedes-Benz India had previously scheduled the EQC launch around April this year, but the coronavirus pandemic and the resultant lockdown forced the car maker to postpone the launch by about 6 months. The new Mercedes-Benz EQC will be sold under the company's electric vehicle brand EQ, which was launched in India in Jan 2020. The EQC is India's first luxury electric SUV and will come to India as a completely built unit. The electric motor produces about 402 brake horsepower, while the promised range stands at 450 km on a single charge. The EQC is expected to be priced around Rs 1.25 crore ex-showroom India. KTM India has introduced new color options for its BS6 compliant Super Sport range, which includes the RC125, RC200 and the RC390 motorcycles. With new shades added to the palette, the prices of the fully fed motorcycles remain unchanged. The KTM RC390 is the flagship full-fed bike from the manufacturer and gets the metallic silver color, which is priced at 2.53 lakh rupees. The KTM RC125 gets the electronic orange color option and is priced at 1.59 lakh, whereas the KTM RC200 gets dark galvano color and costs Rs 2 lakh. All prices are ex-showroom Delhi. The new colors have been added to the existing colors on offer. KTM's RC range is inspired by KTM's RC16 and Moto3 factory racers. Mahindra & Mahindra flagged off the first ever edition of the Thar Her Drive in Mumbai. The new initiative witnessed 25 prominent women from different walks of life coming together to drive the soon-to-be launched new generation Mahindra Thar from Mumbai to the Mahindra Off-Road Academy in Igatpuri. The single-day event saw the participants not only drive the SUV but also experience its off-roading capability under expert supervision at a preset course. The women were driving the Thar LX variant that comes with all the bells and whistles and is intended for the city-bred lifestyle-oriented customer. The new Thar is all set to be launched on October 2, 2020, with the bookings to open on the same day.
"25 women together who have been doing stuff differently in their career, who have achieved a lot in their career, to come and experience the all-new Thar. Just like, they are very capable women and have achieved a lot. We want them to try the all-new Thar, which is equally very, very capable. At the same time, we want to also encourage more and more women to take off-roading and show it to them that how easy and how comfortable and enjoyable off-roading can be.
Everything that's hot, new, exciting and relevant for you from the automobile world is on our Car and Bike channel. Don't forget to subscribe.